Well, alright guys, we got the Glock out, and let's put this down and load it up here. Got a couple of targets to shoot, and then brought some 2-liter soda bottles. Maybe if we shake them up just enough, we'll get a little explosion out of them. I don't know, sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. But I'm going to go ahead and get this bad boy loaded up, and I'll meet you over by the target stand. There it is, orange soda 2-liter. I found a little spot right here. We're going to shake this up real good. Bouncing around. You know, that's how the kids do it. Always sprays when you open it. So let's go ahead and get it nice and pressurized. And I think this spot right here looks perfect. Alright, look at those bubbles. There we go. Get the Glock. Alright, we got a nice little camera set up right here. That should be perfect. Okay, here we go. Orange soda versus the Glock 22C 40 cal. Oh, look, it looks like there's a little bug on there right now. Watch out, bug. Let's see, can you still see it? All right. Let's just fire the Glock into the dirt. It's always fun to get some dust going.